Zenly is a cloud-based mortgage origination platform that is geared towards brokers that want to take an application, run credit, desktop originator, loan product advisor, and then send it over to the lender. Zenly can be used on any computer that has a web browser and an internet connection. Zenly can be accessed on Windows, Macs, tablets, and cell phones. Any updates are done automatically. After logging into Zenly at calyxzenly.com, you'll be directed to the Zenly home screen. This screen shows you both your leads and your loans in one pipeline. You can tell the difference between a lead and a loan by the icon to the left of the file. For a lead, you'll see a sales funnel, and for a loan, you'll see a dollar icon. The pipeline will automatically sort by the latest status date, but you can click any of the headers and sort the pipeline based on that column. At the top, you can use the search bar or filter to narrow your results in your pipeline. The filter has 3 checkboxes: archived, leads, and loans. You can check the box of the option you wish to see, and the pipeline below will update. Each screen only shows 30 files at a time. To see other files, you can use the next or previous buttons at the bottom of each screen. You also have the ability to archive leads or loan files. When you click the select button at the bottom of the screen, checkboxes will appear to the left of each file. Check the box on the file you want to archive. There's also a delete button. Users must have the delete option selected under their settings to be able to delete files. I do want to note that any file that you delete is completely removed from Zenly, and there is no way to recover that file. You will then confirm that you do wish to archive or delete the file, and it will be moved. You can also reactivate files that are stored in the archive area. First, to see your archived files, you would click the filter icon, select the archived checkbox, then click the select at the bottom of the page, and place the checkbox next to the file or files that you want to move back to your main pipeline. Then click Activate. You can also start a new lead file or a new loan file with this drop-down. With a new loan, you are given the choice to create a blank file or import a 3.2 or 3.4. You can also drag and drop a file onto this screen, and it will import that file for you. When you import a file, it will put the LO's name under the Status and Contacts area. If the LO is a Zenly user and is set up in Zenly, it will add the LO's name to the application and the settings, giving the LO access to that file. Zenly will be looking to match the LO's NMLS ID from the XML that's being imported to the NMLS ID listed inside of the Zenly user. If the NMLS ID does not match, it will only log the LO's name in the contacts area. There is a user profile icon on the top right of the Zenly home screen. When you click it, you'll see the name of the user who is logged in, and if you click the name, you will be taken to their profile where they can update their contact information, credit or Fannie Mae ID and password, and alert configurations. Back under the user profile icon, there is an interview configuration option. This will open up a new tab in your browser and take you to the administrative settings for your online application setup. And the help icon will direct you to the Zenly Help Center. In the top right is a bell with a number on it. This is for alerts in the system. Alerts are designed to assist the user in determining which lead or loan files have items to work on. Alerts will appear for the user that the alert is assigned to. There are 2 types of alerts: system generated, which consists of documents received from borrower, e-sign documents received from borrower, and any application completed. The other type of alert is a manually created alert. When you're on the home screen, if you click the bell icon, it will open a list of all of the user's alerts for their whole pipeline, and the number on the bell identifies the number of unread alerts. You can tell the difference between a read alert and an unread alert by the background color. If it's white, it's an unread alert, and this is what is being counted with the red number on the bell. When you click the borrower's name, it will open up that file and mark the alert as being read. When you click anywhere else in the alert box, it will open up the Edit Alert box and also mark that alert as read. The alert box has two icons at the top. There is an arrows icon. This will sort your alerts by the due date that is listed on the alert. And there's also a plus icon, which creates a new alert in this file. Each alert is attached to a lead or a loan file, and you will only see this plus icon if you're inside of a file. To manually create an alert, you would click the plus icon. The alert will list the borrower's name at the top. The description area is where you would put notes for the reminder, as well as a due date and time if applicable. Below that is the Assign To drop-down. The administrator will have access to assign alerts to any user, but other users are defaulted to not be able to assign alerts. The administrator can update that setting under the User tab and Alert Configurations if they want to update that. The Clear Alerts Automatically checkbox will be defaulted to checked. With this checked, it tells the system to automatically remove the alerts for your files after a set number of days. By default, this number is 30, but the administrator can adjust that again under the Users and Alert Configuration. At the bottom, it shows when the alert was created and by whom. You can clear out any alerts or change a read alert back to unread by checking the box next to that alert that you want to change and clicking Clear to remove or mark as unread. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support at 1-800-342-2599.